Good morning and welcome. This is Nicholas Bielik, and today I will walk you through configuring, creating, and testing a holiday plan. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into alohaenterprise.com and go down to Aloha Loyalty. We're going to go ahead and open up company configuration, and we're going to go ahead and open up company settings. You can also click the edit button. We're going to go to company defined member fields, and we're going to scroll down to, let's say, user defined field 30. You can configure any of the fields, but I have just decided to use 30 for this demonstration. So for this field, I'm going to type in holiday, and for the predefined values, let's go ahead and select, let's do Valentine. Let's go ahead and add Christmas, and let's go ahead and add New Year's for our holiday predefined values on user defined field 30. Let's go ahead and come down here and click the Save button. And then let's go ahead and go to Bonus Plan Setup, where we will configure the Valentine's Day plan. And so for a Valentine's Day plan, I think we're going to go ahead and add a Valentine's Day reward of, let's say, 15% off on a check. I'm going to go ahead and select frequency based, but you can select anything you want here. Let's go ahead and scroll down here to this name value pair. And let's just go ahead and submit these predefined values. So make sure the date is 0 padded. And then let's go ahead and add the user defined field as 30. If you were to enter in the user defined field, like let's say 1, just make sure it's not 0 padded. And then let's go ahead and set the value. Since this is the Valentine's Day plan, let's go ahead and use Valentine. Remember, this is going to correspond to what we have in company setup for the member defined field 30. So we need to make sure it matches this particular value. Let's go ahead and click Add, and then let's go ahead and click Save and Continue. Now we're going to just go ahead and configure our reward. Make sure the end date is not set so that this plan can reoccur year after year. And then let's go ahead and go to rewards. Let's type in 15% off on the check. And this will just be a good informational tag. Let's go ahead and set it to 1 visit. And then since it's 15% off on the check, let's set the discount type to percent off. And let's go ahead and select a comp. We're going to go ahead and type in 0.15. And then let's go ahead and scroll down and say that the number of items on the check is all items. Let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Navigate to the Schedule tab, and we're going to go ahead and configure the user-defined field 30, which is holiday, and we're going to set that to Valentine. And then this is my preference, I'm going to go to resetting the plan, and I'm going to reset it every Valentine Day. And then let's go ahead and click Save. And then I already have a predefined card series, so let's go ahead and assign that to our now Valentine's Day program. And then don't forget to click Save. So now we've just walked through step 1, which is the configuration of the UDF field for the holiday plan, and then step 2, which was setting up the bonus plan. So now we're going to navigate to the POS Simulator, and we're going to go ahead and run a transaction on it. So let's go ahead and add a burrito of, let's say, $5. And then let's go ahead and assign a member to the check. Now remember, the date of business is 9/21 on this check, so we don't expect to receive a reward on this check for the Valentine's Day plan. However, if we configure the date to Valentine's Day, we do expect to see 15% off on the check. And so as you can see, we have set the date of business to 2/14 here. And let's go ahead and simulate the check. And as you can see right here, we did in fact get 15% off on the check, and the reward is displayed here below, 15% off the check. So just to conclude the final test, we'll go ahead and configure it to the 15th so I can show you that it doesn't redeem on the 15th. And that's all that's needed to configure a holiday bonus plan. Thank you.